Hello guys, in this video I will tell you how to use Chroma key in Capcut. So that is easy, so please watch the full video. Let's get started. First of all, for this we are adding a video. So for this, tap on new project, and here you can add videos as well as photos. So let's suppose I'm adding a video. Now the video has added. Now let's add a photo with a green screen. So for this, tap on overlay option, and now add overlay, and here tap on photos option, and I'm adding this photo with green screen. Now I want to add this photo and this video without green screen. So for this, tap on chroma key option. First of all, select the photo, I mean the photo layer, and then tap on cutout option, and here tap on chroma key. That option is here, and now you should move this option a little bit, this ring, move it a little bit, and now tap on intensity and increase its intensity, drag it. Now the green screen has been removed and the photo remain here without green screen. So that is the benefit of the chroma key. You can erase the green screen with the help of this. Now we are removing this circle, this green line. So for this, tap on this green line, it will remove automatically. So that is the benefit. Hope you will like this video. Thanks, goodbye.